is shocking to some people when I say, want to solve your problem with quality? Get rid of your quality department. But it makes sense when you understand that I'm advocating to make quality everyone's business. Is it quality when we rush to fix a problem today, only to see the problem crop up the next day? We need people to look deeper and find out what's causing the problem and fix that. In some ways, the quality department is a panacea, a temporary fix for a much bigger problem. What we must do is roll up our sleeves and do the hard work to get everyone to eagerly participate and fearlessly make quality their personal responsibility.